Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marion. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for liking, commenting, and also subscribing. Thank you for the support. I totally appreciate. So we are in a totally different town, and today I want to clean the kitchen area. I have noticed that it is not as clean as I would want it to be. So I'll be cleaning the kitchen area. That is wiping down the surfaces and washing the sink. The sink is the sink is so not good looking. So I'll be washing that too. So you can join me in cleaning, or you just sit and watch me clean. So I will start by soaking the sink because it is very, very dirty, so that I can scrub it later. For wiping the countertops, I'm using water, vinegar, and dish soap.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies.
So we are trying to settle in. At least I have managed to arrange the house. I'm still trying to put things where they're supposed to be, and so far, so good.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just
I'm liking this kitchen so much. It is an open plan one. Although it doesn't have enough storage spaces, but we'll manage that way. I really, really like it. If you're new here, like I said, my name is Marion. I'm a wife and a mom of two, and I create realistic home management videos. So if you're looking for cooking motivation, cleaning motivation, organizing motivation, then you are in the right place, and keep visiting my channel.
we are forever learning, one step
It's now time to scrub the sink, and I had already soaked it with sunlight scouring powder, some homemade detergent, and now I'm going in with some steel wire just to try and make it shiny.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
To be honest, this sink was very dirty, but just look at it now. At least I've managed to clean it. Right now, at least you can see the creaminess that it had has gone away, and it's all clean now and shiny.
We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning, I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand, and you'll see if you take my hand, and I'll go out of my own way for you. I'll go out of my own way.
I'm done cleaning the kitchen, so let's move on to the next task. So today we are taking the kids for an interview. We have been looking for a school for them, and we got one, a very nice school, and they invited them for an interview today. So that is where we are headed, and once there I'll try my best to show you around the school. And also we bought a new car. It's a 7-seater family car. We thank God for this blessing. We love it, and we will take good care of it. At least now I can get to work on time and do errands comfortably.
Hi, Mommy.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but
the kids are doing the interview now. Let me show you bits of the school. I'm not going to record much for obvious reasons. So, how was the interview?
Good.
You did English, math, and
Kiswahili.
they were super hard or easy.
Super. English was super. Not hard. Kiswahili was hard.
Kiswahili was hard. And math?
And math was incredible.
Nice.
time waiting for one of us to cross the line.
After the interview, we decided to have some lunch, and the kids convinced us to take them to Fun City. They love this place so much. So we drove all the way to Fun City, and that's where we had our lunch, and they played for a little bit just to relax their minds.
Some days it's hard to find the reason why.
On the way home, we did some little grocery restock. Just a few things. We were just topping up on a few things that we didn't have in the house. I want to start preparing our dinner, and today we are having beef pilau, and this is the meat that we are going to use. We have ginger, garam masala, cardamoms, pilau masala, salt, onions, garlic, and tomatoes for the kachumbari. And our pilau is ready. It is very, very yummy. It came out so well. So the rest of the family members will have theirs with kachumbari, and mine will have kachumbari and some leftover steamed cabbage.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind.
So the kids are back home from school. It's around 4 o'clock in the evening. So I'm making them some after school snack, which they will take as we talk about their new school.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I.
So how was school?
Good.
School was good?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
My friends tell me that I don't cry.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That is
And
nice.
I promise.
And you promised?
Yes.
Okay. How about your sister here?
Yeah.
How was school?
It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice.
Mm.
Yeah. It's so wonderful.
Mm. You made new friends?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And there was this fight with Rachel and Green.
Mm.
I don't know why they were fighting. I was sitting at the front and they were sitting second at the back, and they were like fighting, and they're looking at each other, sizing each other. I don't know what they were saying. I couldn't hear because their voices were a bit down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it was nice.
It was nice.
Yeah.
You're
So
enjoying
sad.
your new school?
Yeah. So
That's
sad
nice.
that we didn't go to swimming.
The weather wasn't that good today. Maybe probably next week.
But
Mm.
the teacher said,
Mm.
ask the teacher, and the teacher said our timetable has not been made yet. So when it's been made, we are gonna be told.
Okay. Nice. This is the following day, and we went to Dagoretti Slaughterhouse to buy meat and some matumbo. Unfortunately, I was unable to shoot anything while I was there because the place is so chaotic. I wasn't able to shoot anything.
Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view.
So my hubby chopped and divided the meat into these portions. May God bless this man. So these are 17 pieces, and I believe our meat for this month is sorted.